Welcome back to the sneaker division. Woo, woo, woo. And here we go. What is this package?
Caesar's personal Funko Pop.
And what do we have here? Captain Hook.
Yeah, it's dope. Definitely goes with the Peter Pan you got. That's sick. Goes back to the 65th anniversary for Disneyland. My brother has, I think, a lot of them. My brother has probably all of them, actually.
For sure. We're going to do a video one day. Got to turn this house into a museum at one point.
My buddy Pat got some shoes, and he sent them to us. These are some Nike Air Force Ones. Bam.
Off the top, I immediately saw the shoe jeweler. It's got the old school punch buttons
For the payphones, yep.
payphones.
Air Force One, it says AF1 on top. And then, like, over the leather, it's got, like, 1-800, call toll-free, 1-800 Air Force. And then on the inside, same thing. It's just got 1-800 Air Force. That, like, repeated over and over and over again. We need to call them.
Let's try it.
Let's try it right now. Is it just a guy? What is it? This is crazy. Why would it just ring and ring and ring? They could have done something really cool with it.
Bro.
Oh well. I don't know if it's just not working or if that's just what it's supposed to do, but that sucks. I mean, the shoes are pretty cool though. I don't think they're going to be reselling for anything, but if you like the style of shoe, obviously you're going to want to get them. It's pretty plain. It's crazy looking at me. I like the fact that it has like the throwback to the payphones and stuff like that. Like,
I feel like, did you see how this midsole is a different color?
yeah,
It should have been like that.
and just like throws it out for you.
Yeah. It makes it look like it's like when it starts to get old, that's what Air Forces start to look like. When you like
Yeah, but
wash
it's
them.
ahead of the curve, bro.
It's ahead of the curve. It says.
It's supposed to be yellow. Guys, what do you guys think? Would you rock them? Would you cop them? Remember, it's nice to be important. More important to be nice.
And we will catch you later.
Thanks for watching our video, guys. There's more over here if you like where that came from.
Remember, like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Ding, 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 ding. We will catch you later.